Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you have a blessed day today. Now, today we're going to look on some Jamaicans who made it big around the world, but for all the wrong reasons. We're going to look on 55 Jamaicans who made it on Interpol's, that's International Police, wanted list. So stay tuned, because I don't want to miss this list, because it definitely has some colorful characters. First on the list, we have Dave Anthony Brown. His birthplace is Portland, Jamaica. He's 53 years old. Dave Brown is wanted by both the Jamaican police and the British police. Dave Brown was a police officer in Jamaica when allegations of him having sexual relationship with a minor was brought to light. Based on allegations, an investigation was commenced. Dave then fled Jamaica before the investigation could complete. Hence, the police never get a chance to arrest him. He fled Jamaica and went to England. However, whilst there in England, Dave committed the same offence of having sexual relationship with a minor again. He then fled England before he could have been arrested. So that's why he's now on the international wanted list. So I think it's a fair statement to say Sergeant Dave Brown is a pedo. So people, if you see Dave Brown, you can't leave him around your child. And you know he's wanted by the international police. So you need to do the right thing and turn him over to the relevant authorities. Next on the list is Ashwin Campbell, otherwise called Cappy. He's from the Lennox district in Westmoreland. He has been featuring on Jamaica's most wanted list for quite a while now. However, he has been graduated to the Interpol wanted list because based on information the police receive, he is no longer in Jamaica. He is wanted by the Westmoreland police for a murder. This image of Cappy is when he is much younger, so his features must be changed by now. Next on the list is Ian Lynn. He is former president of the Jamaica Used Car Dealer Association. He is wanted for fraudulent conversion and fraud. He was born in Jamaica but spent his early years in the United States of America. He then returned to Jamaica where he committed his crime of fleecing over $100 million from CarMax, which is a used car dealership. He had made multiple contacts with Jamaica's print media like The Observer and The Star, where he said he did not steal any money. However, Lynn hasn't turned over himself to the police, hence why his profile is on the international police list as wanted. Lynn is currently on the run in the United States of America. So anybody have information where Lynn is, pass it on to the police. Because in most cases, these white collar criminals don't get arrested and charged for the crime where them committing. Because most time, their crime is committed against poor people of Jamaica. So we need to get this money in police custody. Next on the list is Stokely Collins, otherwise called Pepper. They said he's from the St. Catherine area, Central Village to be exact, and he's wanted for 5 murders within that space. They say Collins fled Jamaica and is now in Trinidad and Tobago, hence why he's placed on the international police most wanted list. They said Collins also responsible for a spate of killing over Central Village and Spanish Town area in St. Catherine, and him also responsible for the gang war that's currently going on over there. Next on the list is an ex-policeman by the name of Maurice Anthony Lee. It is said that he's wanted for murder of a teen in the Whitfield area in the year 2007. It is said that he fled Jamaica to either England or the United States of America. He has not seen since 2007. So anybody have information to the arrest of Maurice Lee so the teen family can get justice, pass it on to the relevant authorities. This is Omar Gray. He's wanted by police in the United States of America for murder and conspiracy to commit murder. It is said upon Omar committing the murder, he fled the United States and possible he is in Jamaica at the moment. Possibly, Omar is one of the persons committing all of the crimes in Jamaica at the moment. And we can't deal with that. We don't need no more crosses down in our country. So if you have any information about Omar, pass it on to the relevant authorities. Then we have Benjamin Thompson. He's a Jamaican. He's 71 years old. And Benjamin is wanted by the United States Police for conspiracy to possess with intent to distribute more than 50 grams of crack cocaine. So the elder I'm old age still a deal with crack and cocaine in America. So you don't know, if you have information which part him there, pass it on to relevant authorities. Although they said he has left America and now reside in Jamaica. Next on the list is Ainsworth Smith. He's from Jamaica. He's 47 years old. They said he's wanted for murder, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, and information reaching the police is that he's no longer on the island of Jamaica. So, anybody know about Ainsworth there? You know what to do. Now we have Nigel Abdullah. It seems like some Muslim name, and if I'm right name, this are him changing name. But they say Abdullah is wanted for murder, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. And it said he's no longer in Jamaica. He's 45 years old and his birthplace is Jamaica. So if you have information for Abdullah there, just pass it on to the police. Now there is over 55 Jamaicans on this list who is wanted by multiple police departments across the world. Not just Jamaica, but there are persons on the list is wanted from England police, American police, Trinidadian police, multiple islands in the Caribbean, Canadian police. So it's just a sad thing to see a small island of Jamaica have so much representation on the international police wanted list. It's not a good look for Jamaica. You see, if you combine all of the wanted men from all of the Caribbean islands together and put them all together, it still don't come up to the amount of Jamaicans on this list. So Jamaica will lead the list by a long shot compared to all of the rest of Caribbean islands them put together. Even though Haiti is in turmoil at the moment, Jamaica have more representation on this list than the Haiti. So we have to clean up our image around the world because it don't look good and us as a small nation we have such a big, huge representation on this list. Even some of the first world countries, Jamaica have more representation on the list than. And it's just a sad situation because most of them persons here now, them the back of Jamaica, we know that for a fact. And them thing you contribute to the high level of crime we are going on in the country now. So if you know about them money there, we don't shove them out. Simple as that. There's no two way about it. If you know about them money there, shove them out to the police. So I'm gonna now just put up the picture of the remainder of the 55 wanted man and the Interpol list. So you can go and you can stop and look and see if you identify anybody on the list. Then you pass on information to the relevant authority. If you like this video, please remember to hit the like button, leave your comment in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. And always remember to hug your loved ones.